Good morning, everyone. We are discussing the chapter 8 of Geography, Land and the People. In this chapter, we have already discussed about the desert, Sahara and the Ladakh desert. And then we also discuss about the different grassland of the world, in which we discuss about the prairies of the North America and the wild of the South Africa. And today we will discuss the another topic of this chapter, that is the Amazon basin, the world's biggest basin, and also the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So let's start the chapter. Amazon basin is the largest river basin in the world. It lies in the South America. About two-thirds of the region lies in the Brazil and also occupied the part of Peru, Ecuador and Colombia. It is the world's largest and the thickest tropical evergreen or the rainforest. The Amazon is the second longest river in the world after the Nile, and in respect of the volume of the water, it is the world's biggest river. The climate of the Amazon basin is hot and humid. The area receives heavy rainfall throughout the year and due to its location in the equatorial region. The Amazon basin is known for its rainforest. The trees here are very tall and thick. There are several layers of the vegetation. The topmost layer of foliage is known as canopy. Below this, there are two more layers of foliage consist of the shrubs and the bushes. These forests are so dense that the sunlight hardly reaches to the ground, and this region has vast and varied species of the plants like rubber trees, Brazil nut, quebracho, and cinchona. Amazon basin is also rich in the wildlife. Most of the animals are arboreal who adapted the living on the trees. Some of arboreal animals are the apes and the lemurs. Reptiles are also common here like the snake, lizard, frog, and colorful birds and butterflies are also the common species that are found in the Amazon basin. The most important food crops is manioc or the cassava, coffee, coca and the maize, and also the Brazil nut. With the discovery of the New World, people from Europe migrate to the South America or Amazon basin. In the past few decades, due to the increase in the population, many rainforests have been cleared for various purposes. People are moving toward this area because of the economic potential of the Amazon basin. Vast forest area were cleared for setting up camps area and constructing road. After the Amazon basin, now we will discuss about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in India. The Ganga is the major river of the Indian subcontinent. The two big rivers of India's Ganga and Brahmaputra join together in the Bangladesh and form the world's largest delta known as the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta or the Sundarban Delta. It is the part of the northern plain of the India subcontinent. It lies to the south of the foothill of the Shivalik. It is a vast low-lying plain covering distance of about 2,500 km. This plain is drained by three big rivers of the India, that is the Indus, Ganga and the Brahmaputra, that deposit all their fine alluvial here. The distributaries of the rivers from a network of the water channels and finally drain into the Bay of Bengal. The northern plains include the state of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and the Assam. The climate of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin is hot and humid. Rainfall is heavy but mainly concentrated in the 3 months of the monsoon, that is the June, July, and the August. The average rainfall is about 200 centimeter. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin is covered with the tropical deciduous forest, but now this area has been completely converted into farms and settlement. The lowest part of the Ganga Delta is covered with the mangroves forest, and these forests are dominated by a plant species locally known as the Sundari, and that is why this area is named as the Sundarban Delta. The Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is the home of the various kind of the wild animals, and the most common one-horned rhino that we can see in the Assam and the Bengal tiger are the one of the common species. The most important wildlife sanctuary, the Sundarban Wildlife Sanctuary, is located here. The soil of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin is very fertile and suitable for the cultivation of the various crops like rice, wheat, sugarcane, millet, gram, jute, tea, etc. And agro-based industries like the textile industry and the sugar-based industries, etc. are the common here. Towns and cities of Haridwar, Varanasi, Allahabad, Patna, Guwahati are located on near the river bank and are developing at very fast rate. So that is the end of the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.